Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from North Point Lights, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 8:45 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm